In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Pinterest board with someone else, streamlining your creative collaboration and idea sharing. Whether you're working on a project, planning an event, or just want to share your curated collection of ideas, being able to share your Pinterest boards can really enhance your experience. So let's get started. First off, make your way to Pinterest by opening up your browser and typing in pinterest.com. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so by entering your details. It's easy to get distracted here since Pinterest is full of beautiful images and ideas, but we'll stay focused on sharing a board today. Once you're on the Pinterest main page, you'll want to head over to your profile. This is usually represented by your profile picture or icon on the top side of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to your personal Pinterest space where all your saved pins and organized boards reside. Look for the option that says Boards and click on it. This will show you all the boards you've diligently put together over time. Now that you're on your Boards page, take a moment to choose which board you wish to share. Hover over your selected board with your mouse. As you do this, you'll notice a couple of options popping up. One of these options is Share. Go ahead and click on the Share button. This is the doorway to sharing all the fantastic pins you've gathered. After clicking Share, you're presented with a couple of different ways to share your board. If you've got a friend or colleague's email, you can type it straight into the provided field. Entering their email will send them an email invite so they can directly access the board. If email isn't your preferred method, or if you'd like to share with more than one person, you can opt for the link. Copying the link is super straightforward, and you can paste it into a message, an email, or wherever you're chatting. This gives the recipient easy access without you having to punch in each email address. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully shared your Pinterest board, opening up a world of creative brainstorming and planning. Sharing boards is a fantastic way to collaborate with others, get feedback on your ideas, or even just to spread a little bit of inspiration. Thanks for watching today's guide on sharing your Pinterest boards. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out other tutorials we have for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Pinterest experience. Happy pinning and see you next time.